Hi, Achiever is here. Welcome to my how to set up seller account on Task Culture. If you watch my previous video on how to register as a freelancer on Task Culture, if you don't watch it, check the top icon, you will see it here, or check the description, the link is there. Now, I've successfully registered and I've successfully upgraded to Premium. Now I want to set up my seller account. Loading. So it will take me to where I'll set up my seller account, which include my username, email, first name, last name, my store name. You understand? So it's just almost the same like Fiverr. If you use Fiverr very well, you understand this platform. So now, store name, which name you want to use for your store. This name, you can't change it. So I'm using my own name, Afolabi as my store name. You might use any name. But I think once the name has been picked, it will tell you it's not available. Now that I have filled my details based on what I want, username, email, my phone number, my industry. There are different industries, you see, digital marketing. So there are so many under digital marketing, there are so many SEO, traffic, so many, make money, branding, ebook, writing, creative writing, so there are so many under there. I've input my password, so I'll check on agree terms and conditions, then I'll register. So registration successfully complete has been completed now. So it told me that this is a wizard now. Do you know what a wizard setup is? You can skip it at the same time. It can also help you in building your stuff fast. So that's just it. So now let's go and set up this wizard. I use a banner, shop name, store, just to bring my details. It wants me to update them. You understand? So now let me update them so that you see. Yeah, as you can see, I fill all my details, my banner. I filled all the necessary details. So just click on continue. Now it takes me to payment stage where I'll input my bank details that they will pay to once I finish executing an order. Now I fill up the necessary details. The rest are for those international users. So these are necessary details I've filled up. My bank, all the rest. See, I fill it up. So all these ones are for internationals. Click on continue. So the next step is my policy setup. Now I've set up my policy of my page. You can see refund once my service has been this cancellation. So let's continue. Now it takes me to support setup. I'll fill it up. Go to the next page. Yeah, now I've set up my SEO store. If you see my name, we are going to the next step. Now I want to do social media setup. I've input my social media links. We're going to the next step. Now the final step. We are done now. This is the final step. Then we will click on go to dashboard. Now it has taken us to the Freelancer Studio, our seller page where we will create store, we create products. You see, because it's new, say no product yet, no sales, nothing. So these are other things, create deal for deal, other stuff like that. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any challenges during registration, comment. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.